the priestess of Idemili, I am sure she will choose you as her mate.
Only to father a child for a date and never to be a husband?
Who are we to question the gods?
Even when unhappiness is what they bring to us?
The scoundrel says he would have been a better person if the God had only created him better. Be contented with what life gives you.
Son of Osisioji,
keeper of the mother deity, greetings.
Your footprints in the earth tells me not what path you tread.
A path of peace.
And yet, your eyes are one with fire. The bullfrog's bid to swallow the python will only spell doom on its kind. Desist, for the Ikoro resounds only for kings on the sojourn to the land of the spirit. Desist!
I'm not a slave to any man. I am the son of the mountain lion, a freeborn.
Desist, or your head and that of your kindred becomes footstools for Ogugu.
What is going on here? What is going on here?
Mother.
Leave her be.
Oh.
Ekema, I said leave her be. She rests in the bosom of Oshimili.
Everywhere. You killed my mother. Everywhere you killed my mother. Everywhere. I curse you. I curse you everywhere. I curse your offspring. The earth shall always be your cover for the rest of your life. Everywhere you have to do this to me. Why?
Kim, I'm sorry.
Why? You have never been the fault of all this.
Ekema, why don't we just go away? Let's leave this place.
Where would we go? My very existence is almost like a curse to me.
Ekema, stop it! You know it's not true. You're the essence of my very existence, Ekema. That you have always been. Ekema, you cannot be a curse to me.
Stop it. Stop.
I'm sorry.
I have to go.
Ekema.
I have to go before they start looking for me.
Please, I beg of you. Stay a little while with me. Please.
Akwadike, you know the cleansing period is almost near. I shouldn't be out so long.
Ekema.
I have to go.
Ekema. Ekema, please. Ekema, please, I'm nothing without you, Ekema.
The foul mouth of Udene, the vulture, will not change it from what Ischi has made it.
And what I feel for Ekema.
The mother hen says that he could have done more in protecting its young from the hawk if only Osebruwa, the great deity that lives in heaven, had given it wings to fly with.
Are you saying I'm not good enough for the daughter of Aboma?
Termites dwell underground with their kind.
Ekema, I love you.
I love you more.
I'll give up my life rather than allow anything to take you away from me.
I will die if anything happens to you.
Ekema, Ekema, it is time.
Onatasia no mubodo chinevu aga baka. Sia no mubu mpapa di n'igwe ndị orima.
On the doorway of the 7 rivers of Oshimili.
It is I, Ekema, daughter of the river goddess Otakase, offspring of Idemili, benefactor of the childless.
What are the 7 keys to the gateways of Oshimili?
7 precious eggs from the python goddess of Idemili. 7 forbidden fishes from Obanenu. 7 cowries from Mirele. 7 bullfrogs from Otakasi. 7 pieces of white chalk from Mborogu River. 7 cups of water from Enugwasa.
And
the virginity of a maiden priestess.
Daughter of the still waters of Ebenator, step on the threshold of the goddess Oshimili.
This land shall be blessed. Women shall conceive. Men shall prosper. The land shall be fruitful. The turbulent rivers shall be still. Peace shall prevail.
Idemili Oshiyatata Idemili Oshiyatata Idemili Oshiyatata Idemili Oshiyatata. Eze mmụọ nnukwu mmọnwụ na-eti onwe ga-aga n'ogwu ọkwa na-eme o ji isi wee tiwe osimiri ọ na ọ bụrụzi gburugburu warawara bụ ije osimiri mmụọ ụlọ na omume
Are you with me or not?
Okwadike, I do not think it's a good idea going to another village to ferment trouble.
And I ask, when has it become a sacrilege to fight for what you believe in?
Okwadike, attacking Ami Demri is a sacrilege on its own.
If your chief tells you different, I advise you listen. Sons of Amadim, take heed. The offspring of Udezuka will not force any man's hand. For I believe in what I believe in.
Okwadike, we believe in you. Amadim! Oye! Amadim! Oye! Amadim! Oye!
The gods of our land will protect us. My betrothed will be saved. And my demon refused to heed to my voice of reason. They spat at me with venom-filled mouths. They scornfully asked whose son I was. For their forebears were kings, and my mere hunters. But I'm a freeborn of Amadim, the son of Osirioji the Great, who ate and fell upon sin the morning sun, wrestled the ugly until he gave his eggs up in supplication. I am Okwadike, the greatest hunter in Amadim, the voice of the seven forest deity, Ochaya. Today, the sacredness of Amaidemri will be broken. For when a deity becomes insolent, its worshippers will abandon it at the crossroad. Amadim! Oye! Amadim! Oye! Amadim! Oye!
Usino kombo.
Hebe jebembia. Hebe jebembia.
Egwadria.
Ayi magana. Hebe jebembia.
Oh, egwu kombo.
Egwu magana. Hebe jebembia.
Usino jadria.
Colombia. Ayi magana. Hebe jebembia.
Onya.
Oja woro. Hebe jebembia. Ayi magana. Hebe jebembia.
Talonu.
Ane to hongiti.
Hebe jebembia. Alulum nya.
Ayi magana. Hebe jebembia. Oja woro. Hebe jebembia. Ayi magana. Hebe jebembia.
Onya.
Oja woro. Ayi magana. Hebe jebembia. Okowani ne oja woro. Hebe jebembia. Hebe jebembia.
Oh, Kumbel.
Okowani ne oja woro. Hebe jebembia.
Ne kwoku.
Bewara ayi magana. Hebe jebembia.
Usino jadia.
Obuto biyo.
Hebe jebembia. Colombia kombo.
Bewara ayi magana. Hebe jebembia.
Ana wonse vivere nkete.
Egbe jebe mbia.
Kubo kure kwadria.
Aye magana. Egbe jebe mbia. Aye magana. Egbe jebe mbia.
Okome.
Egbe jebe mbia.
Egbe.
The son of the mountain lion has come to take that belongs to him. Ekema, what did he do to you?
You fool. Don't you know when to appease the god of madness? Depart before you are struck down where you stand. You will be hanged for this insolence. The name of your village will be a story told by old women to their younglings.
Everywhere. You don't scare me. I will only leave when I have collected that belongs to me.
The caterpillar wants a dance with death. It thinks it is a contest of who has more legs. Depart, for the one in whose presence you stand is one with gods. She carries the burdens of the 9 villages that makes up Amitenani, priestess of Oshibili, and wife to none.
Everywhere you lie.
He rests. But we must hurry before the river returns from its journey to Uru. The ritual for your priesthood must be completed.
No! Help me! Please help me. I am your daughter. I am Emma, daughter of Viva.
son.
Mother?
Your Highness.
My daughter, you're welcome to our home.
Daughter, welcome to our home.
My son and his wife.
Now we await your verdict.
And they shall not wait in vain.
That's my son. Spoken like a king.
Not just yet, Father. Your years shall still outlive the end of season.
I know, son. Your wife is looking restless. Can you take her in, please?
Yes, Father.
Is she really the one?
As sure as we are, the day will come after night. She's pure, untouched. And
what? Amuma, and what?
Something I cannot see.
I hope it's not something that will hurt my son.
No. She would gladly give her life for his. We wait.
You wait.
What?
Finally.
Yeah, finally. What?
I have to freshen up first.
Hey. Am I complaining?
Well, I am. You know, from all the dust walking around and...
Okay. I give up. Go freshen up. I'll wait.
Of course you will wait. Because if you have waited all these years, then some minutes won't kill you.
Now I see that you are enjoying this. Making me wait.
Sure.
You are so evil.
Anna.
Okay, I will wait. But don't forget that you're not just keeping a prince waiting, you're keeping his entire kingdom waiting too.
Okay.
I have a bad feeling about this.
That's the problem with you. You always have a bad feeling about practically everything. I'd have been surprised if you didn't say this.
He's my only son.
Our only son, who has found himself a wife who at her age is still a virgin. Isn't that beautiful?
And you forgot to add, whose parentage is questionable.
There is absolutely nothing wrong with being an orphan. Nothing.
No mother?
No father, no uncle, no auntie. Isn't that a bit strange?
On the contrary, what I find strange is the fact that your son was able to find himself a wife outside the shores of this country, something which, by the way, you couldn't do.
I know where your argument is going. How was I to know they were not virgins? They were barely 18 when their parents brought them here for the test.
I see. They had parents, uncles, aunties, and a long line of relations. And yet, and yet,
Is my handsome husband sleeping?
Hey, you. Definitely not. Hey, you look beautiful and sexy.
Thank you.
Come here. I love you.
I love you, Mom.
The beat.
Oh, cut it.
Are you sure?
Are you not my husband? I said cut it. Come on.
Okay. All right. Right.
Cut it.
I'm trying. Wait.
Okay, cut it. Cut it.
I'm trying. I'm trying it. It won't come off. It won't come off. I don't like this. I don't like it.
Hey, come on, relax. Come here.
Hold on. Maybe we should just tell the priestess.
And I'm saying there is no need for that.
But the bloody thing won't come off. And you promised me it would.
Relax. It will. Alright, wait. For you, I'll do anything.
Trouble brews. God, get the king!
It came off. It actually came off.
Yeah. It had no choice, but... Come here. Come and make your wife a woman.
It has started again. Ekemili has risen.
No, Your Highness.
Then why did you ask us to come?
We need to go in there now. Go in where? The prince's chamber.
Listen to me. Serenity is not synonymous with wisdom. My reign will not be remembered only at the insistence of drunks.
The gods forbid. Your Highness, your forebears came to no shame. Yours will not be different.
Then why did you ask me to commit such a sacrilege? You know the tradition. The chamber remains shut until the prince emerges with a blood-stained eagle's feather, the blood of his virgin bride. Has that tradition changed?
No, Your Highness. But his bride is...
What is she doing to my son?
Hey!
Come back here.
Let's open the door. My son may be dying in there.
Come back! We must obey tradition.
If anything happens to my son, if anything happens to my son...
Patience. Nothing will happen to him.
Your Highness, we have been given access.
Great God, Sir Abakoba. What is this?
The great deity of Oshimili.
Hey! She's a demon.
Not a demon. A great deity from a time long forgotten.
Mom, let's be reasonable.
Reasonable? You still ask for reasons when you brought that curse into this palace.
Mma is not a curse. She told me how special she is even before we got here.
Was floating in the air and having a python as a pet part of her traits?
You are making a molehill look like a mountain.
Don't you dare talk stupidly. Because I know the child has spawned. I want that thing out of this palace.
Enough of this nonsense. Come on, talk like a queen instead of bleating like a goat. Nah. What should we do?
We need to appease Oshimili.
Chimo, get a kind of here. Chimo, gịnị na-eme ebe a?
Chineke! Hey!
Anya afọkwanụ n'ife o! Anya afọkwanụ n'ife! What is really happening?
Auntie Deborah, good morning.
That I have failed your mother.
No, Auntie. Please don't say that. Auntie, you don't have to sound this way, please. You've always been there for me since I was a child. You've always been there for my mom and I as though we were your family. You've always been there with Mom to fix my blunders. This, I want to figure out on my own. Please.
Okay, I understand. Eat your breakfast before it goes cold. Look at you. You're growing lean. Today there will be pounded yam and bene seed. And I will make the soup myself. And you will eat.
Thanks, man.
Good.
Auntie, I have to clean out my mother's room today. I haven't been there since I returned.
Oh, I'm happy to hear that. Do you need my help?
Don't worry, I can handle it.
You will handle it. Okay? Thank you, my friend.
Soon, her sojourn will begin across the 7 rivers and through the 7 forests of Chul.
So what do you advise?
Words are like seedlings when planted, soon forgotten until the seed becomes a plant.
And parables remain parables until the elders break them down.
Words of wisdom, Your Highness.
Thank you.
Ogadagidi. The princess is a source of blessing to any community she's in. And any family that takes her in will thrive abundantly.
Are you therefore suggesting that we take her in?
Yes, Your Highness.
I don't think so. My mother will...
Cut out all this nonsense about your mother. Now what do you say?
Well,
Just shut up and stop jabbering like an idiot. One day you will succeed me on this throne, and I will not be succeeded by a weakling who must be dictated to by a woman. Now listen to me, son. I said, what do you say?
I think I love her, but...
No buts. No buts. You love her, good. Then go and bring her back. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, Father.
Your food is ready. Do I ask them to bring it here, or would you rather come downstairs?
Auntie, you're trying to make me fat.
It is good to add flesh in the right places.
If you say so. Auntie, do you know the people in these pictures?
Where did you get this?
Mom's room.
I don't know anybody here, and I've never met any family member.
That's strange. Very strange. If you don't know, who would?
I've worked with your mother for over 20 years. When I met your mother, I was a poor starving woman. No job, no home, and a son, no father. Your mother took us in and gave us a home, and gave my son a good education.
She loved you like a sister.
And I loved her too.
You cared for me as if I were your own. You're still spoiling me, silly. My only worry is I know nothing about my mom's family or past. Nothing to hold on to at all. It's as if she never existed.
Why don't we ask my son?
Kamsi?
Yes. While you were away abroad, Kamsi worked for your mother until he left for law school.
But I didn't see him after the burial.
Your mother was like a mother to him. He was devastated by her death, and your marriage did not make it easier.
I don't understand.
That's a story for another day.
So, is he in your house now?
No. He went to Abuja to be back in a day or two.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
For what?
For trying to make me fat. Ouch. Sorry. Trying to add flesh in the right places.
Ma, you always knew how to make me laugh.
I'm glad I still can.
Okay.
Mother Deity, we pay obeisance to you, Oshimili Atata, one whose abundance is endless. We have come to seek your indulgence once more. Your offspring and priestess will be home soon. Idemili.
Oshimili Atata.
Idemili.
Oshimili Atata.
Idemili.
Oshimili Atata.
You will do no such thing. I forbid it. I forbid you to even think of it.
Mom, you need to calm down. You need to calm down.
Don't you dare ask me to calm down. And you? What are you doing standing there looking at me like morose?
Your Majesty.
Out! Get out! You come back! Pick that thing and bring it right here. Bring it here! And you, don't even think of bringing that girl back to this place. That girl is bad luck.
Mom, you never liked her from the very first day you set your eyes on her. And the reason for that is because you were not the one who made the choice. For the very first time in my life, I was able to make a choice of what I wanted.
Your own choice that nearly killed you. I always knew there was something not right about that girl. I warned you and your father, but of course, nobody will listen to me.
Mom, I don't know what to do. I'm confused.
Don't be. That is why you have a mother. I already had a word with the king of Ohamba. He's very rich and influential. His daughter just graduated from one of the best schools in the UK. Both of you can get married in a week.
And father?
Leave him to me.
Okay, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
You're welcome.
When will all this nightmare stop? When?
It will stop. I am here for you. You will be fine.
I will not be fine, Auntie. All my life I've lived in torment. Auntie, why all these dreams? Huh? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I?
Have you met my son before? I've not had the pleasure.
He did not eat much.
Come here. I miss you.
I missed you more.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Sit down. Hey, look at you. You're looking so good.
Me? Oh, thank you.
Yeah. So what's been happening?
Nothing much. Law school and all. But it's over with now.
Are you serious? Congratulations.
Thank you.
So when did you return from Abuja?
Me? I got back yesterday. Yeah. And whoa, you look good.
Stop it.
My mom said you wanted to see me.
Well, yes. She said you had something in your custody for me from my mom.
Yes, I do. I actually have it here. She said it's something she didn't want to give to a lawyer. And she said I was meant to give it to you before you got married.
I don't understand. Why wait until I'm about to get married?
Honestly, I don't know. You know, Auntie, she tells you just what she feels you need to hear, and the rest, she keeps to herself.
So why didn't you mention this before Afam and I?
Because you went off to marry him like you had no family. Like none of us existed, like you didn't care about us, like we weren't good enough for him.
You know that is not what happened. You know that.
I don't know anything about you anymore, Ma. Look at you, you've changed. This is not the Ma I grew up with.
Seriously, I don't know what you're talking about. Because you have equally changed too. You used to be fun to be with.
Well, I guess I grew up.
Well, if growing up means moody and being cranky, then I will pass too.
See that? Exactly what you do all the time. Run away from everybody and everything. Yes.
I wasn't running away. I wasn't running. Okay, fine. I'm sorry I didn't let you guys come for the ceremony. But then I saved you people a truckload of embarrassment. I'm sorry. I don't want to pick.
Are you out of your mind?
He has regained his senses.
Look, shut up. I wasn't talking to you.
But I'm still his mother. I can't stand by and watch my son's life destroyed.
Good. I have come to observe that you will not stop until you've completely destroyed this young man.
Father, please. This was a decision I took on my own.
Spare me that poppycock you took on your own. When was the last time you ever took any decision on your own? When?
Father, and I will not have you force me to do what I do not want to do.
Look who is talking. You came back from outside the country with a girl and you said, Father, this is the one that is meant specially for me. Didn't you say that?
Yes, I did. But what part of she's possessed, she's demonic and almost took my life, do you not understand?
Good. Now you know that marriage is not a walk in the park.
That does not also mean that he will live in the same house with a witch as a wife.
Beautiful. Now listen to me, you two. Whatever it is you're working out, be prepared to embrace the consequences. I will have nothing to do with it.
What really happened with Afam and the marriage?
I really don't know. 1 minute, I was in the room for the marriage solemnization according to their tradition. Next minute, I awoke. Naked and wet all over. With him, his father, and the priestess staring at me as if I committed such a hideous crime. Afam was so scared. So scared. He wouldn't even come anywhere close to me.
And they didn't tell you what happened?
I don't know anymore. Whatever it was, it almost scared people. I don't understand. I don't know why I keep seeing these things in my dream each time I sleep.
So, how did you cope abroad?
That's the strange thing. These dreams only manifest here in Nigeria.
Oh, strange.
Yeah, really strange. Hey, how come you're here?
My mom, she insisted I stayed back since she had a couple of things to go sort out at home. She wanted to inform you, but you were asleep already.
Inform me? Come see your Chuku. This is also your home. Get that into your stubborn head.
Yes, ma'am. The package your mom left for you. What's in it?
Sincerely, I don't know.
I don't understand.
I haven't gotten around opening it. I'll do that tomorrow morning.
All right, if you insist. But I'm thinking that the contents of the package may shed more light on some issues.
Okay, I will.
All right then. Very well. Let me leave you to sleep.
Okay.
Sleep well.
Kamsi,
Yeah?
could you stay with me, please?
All right, fine.
What are you doing?
Sitting. Why?
Come to the bed, silly.
No. No, thanks. I'd rather be here. I'll sleep.
You're such a prude.
I know. Sleep now.
Good night, Cam.
Good night, little witch.
You remember?
Yes, I remember.
Is that what the prince wants?
That question is laced with insolence.
It was not meant to be, my queen.
My son has made his choice. He will marry the princess of Ohamba.
If that is what the prince wants, so shall it be. I will prepare him for cleansing from his first union. And the princess will be tested for purity.
Of course she's pure. She is the princess of Ohamba. Their custom and tradition are the same as ours.
If you say so, my queen. Your Highness.
Your Highness, I suggest we send emissaries to Ohamba to get them prepared for the ceremony.
You started this, and you must finish it alone.
Father. Mother. I'm afraid Father is going to embarrass us.
Leave your father to me. Have faith in your mother.
But, Mother, just let her be.
I should let her be.
Hey! Onye! Onye! Do! Ndị ka na-agba Ọnara! Come out! It is done, Your Highness.
So, what is next?
The princess will visit Oraka.
Get it done with.
Ijele.
No tricks.
That won't be necessary, my queen. The gods do not speak with a discordant voice like man.
What are you still doing? Will you get out? Wise ones, obeisance.
Are you sure?
As sure as the fact that the sun will return to Oru when the day breaks.
Mother, you sent for me.
You lied to me.
Lied to you?
I don't understand.
Hey. Don't be sanctimonious with me. You lied to me. You told me you were a virgin.
I'm sorry you feel this way. But hey, how many virgins do you know? I thought what you want was a good wife for your son.
If you were not the daughter of Igwe Hamba, I would have smashed your stupid head on that wall. Akunike. Useless whore. Now get out. Get out. Useless whore. You have to fix this. I want my son to marry that girl.
There is nothing to be arranged. She failed the test.
And I order you say she passed it.
The gods will not allow that
The gods could forgive your father for the evil he did to this kingdom. You will be forgiven. The occasion must hold tomorrow. I hope your son has an allegiance with deafness.
She reminded me that I could not take the beads off my waist until I found the right man. Only then could I take them off. She also said I had to go see a sister of hers in Enugu. I didn't know my mother had a sister.
My daughter, please stop crying. I know she had a reason for not telling you everything. Probably she was trying to protect you.
Protect me from what? That is all I get to hear. Protect, protect. Everyone is protecting me from what I don't even know. Everyone is protecting me from what they don't know they are protecting me from. I'm sick. I'm sick and tired of all of this. I'm sick and tired.
Okay, so what do you want to do now?
First thing tomorrow morning, I intend to leave for Enugu.
Do you think that is the right thing for you to do now?
Auntie, what else am I supposed to do? My soul is a prisoner trapped in a strange body. I've lived my life based on rules and regulations. Don't eat this. Don't drink that. Men were a no-go area for me. Mom said I couldn't have boyfriends. The few ones I tried to have, it always ended up in disaster. The only man that accepted to wait until the wedding day almost got killed on the wedding day simply because he tried to make me a woman. The answers that will free me are in far away Enugu. I need to get these answers or else I will lose my mind.
I'll go with you.
You don't have to.
I insist. That is what your mom would have wanted. Let me go back.
My daughter, God is in control. Please, please. It is all right. Please, please. Stop crying.
Thank you. It's okay. Thank you.
Are you sure she will not tell anyone?
No, she won't.
What if she does?
Shut up and listen. Take this. Insert it deep into your vagina.
Sorry? What is that for?
You ask too many questions. Anyway, this herb will serve as your hymen. When my son makes love to you, you will bleed like a 16-year-old virgin. Oh, please wipe that stupid smile off your face. You don't deserve this. I just want to save your parents the embarrassment. Don't forget those who brought you to where you are. Because if tomorrow you walk against me, I am going to destroy.
Mom? Is this a bad time?
My son, no. Not at all. I was only having a word with your beautiful bride here.
Yes.
Okay. How did it go with the priestess?
Fantastic. She passed.
Oh, thank God. Thank God. I was so scared. I was scared.
Scared of what? That I wasn't pure? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
No, that's not what I meant. I mean, I was scared of the priestess. Mom, you know, I don't trust her.
Nobody does but your father.
Okay, Mom, does that mean that tomorrow still stands?
Not even the 7 witches of Afogiri can stop you and your beautiful bride.
Thank you, Mom. You're the best.
Thank you.
I love you, Mom. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I need to go put things in place right now. Hmm? Thank you.
Fine.
Hmm? I love you, Mom.
Love you too.
Love you. Bye, baby. See you later.
Now, that's done with. Let me go and attend to your parents and their entourage.
Yes, Your Highness. I really appreciate it.
You save the hypocrisy. Yeah. See, the earlier you push that into your vagina, the tighter it will be.
Right now?
Yes, madam. The earlier it is done, the tighter the vagina. Not all I have heard about your escapades, your past life. The earlier, the better.
Come in. Come in, Mom, it's open.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Sorry, were you sleeping?
Me? No, I was just busy. It's alright.
I came to say thank you for staying and accepting to come with me.
And I have told you over 100 times, you don't have to thank me.
Okay, but I still appreciate it anyway. Thank you.
Alright, you're welcome.
Alright, let me let you rest.
Okay. Good night.
Good night. Come.
Yeah?
Sorry, I'd like to seek your advice on something.
Yeah, sure. Shut the door.
What do you think I should do about Afam?
How?
You know, since the incident at his town, he hasn't called, and I was thinking I'd wake up one day and he'd surprise me with a visit or something, but no calls, no visit.
Okay, so you want to surprise him since he has refused to show up?
No, that's not what I meant. Okay, let's put it this way. Maybe he's upset with me.
Oh, you are making excuses for him again. You always do that.
That's not true. You're like this because you don't like him.
Well, I don't like him. You want me to pretend?
Nope. So, you don't think I should tell him I'm going to Enugu?
Yes, I think you shouldn't tell him anything. Now go to bed. We have a long day tomorrow.
Yes, sir. And stop trying to cover your body. I don't know what tiny muscles you're trying to hide.
Little witch.
And why do we have to do this, Mother?
Because there's nothing else for us to do.
But there's always something to do to stop evil from thriving. You taught me that, Mother.
I taught you a lot of things. But this is one of those things you should not learn.
And yet you teach it?
Learn that which you must. The rest, you leave for the gods.
And why are they suddenly so silent?
They wait.
Wait for what?
For the right time to speak.
I'd rather stay awake.
Ekwekota
Udadi
Anyị kwekọta no
Udadi.
Soon our daughter will be returned to us.
It is time. The people wait.
My daughter, please make us proud.
I will, Mom.
You may now leave. What's wrong?
I'm alright.
I mean, you look as if you've seen a ghost.
I'll be alright. It's just that a previous experience I had in this room has refused to leave my head. But I'll be fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'll be fine.
Then come. I'll make your wife happy.
Wait. Sorry. Can I ask you a question? Do you wear beads?
Beads? I don't understand.
I mean like beads, native beads around the waist.
No, I don't. I mean, I detest them. But if you want, I could...
No. I equally detest them. I hate them with a passion. You don't wear?
No.
Okay, then we're good.
Okay. Come.
Okay. No beads. Okay. No beads. You're sure you don't have that?
Are you okay? Sure? You're scared.
Oh my God. So truly you are a virgin?
You doubted me.
No, I did not. It's just that I didn't want to be disappointed again. And besides, I have never been with a virgin.
But I didn't disappoint you.
No, you did not. In fact, you performed better than I expected. You know what? I promise to teach you everything you need to know.
Thank you, my husband. So, are we now supposed to show them the blood now?
Them. You know what? I am going to be the next king of this kingdom. And you are going to be my wife sitting by my side. So, let them wait.
Okay.
All right. So, I feel like a shower. I don't know. Would you like to join me?
No, you drained me. I want to rest a little.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Let me go shower. You take a rest. Okay? I'm sorry. I promise to be a bit more gentle next time.
Thank you, my husband.
All right, darling. I'll be back.
All right. I love you.
I love you too.
Fetch the king! Give us some of woe! Give your boss some of woe! Never!
Good day, ma.
Good day, ma.
Good day. How may I help you?
We would like to see Mrs. Lotana.
From where, please?
Well, ma, I'm her niece.
Are you Ma?
Yes.
Oh my God! Oh my God! You are Ma. Oh, come, give me a hug. Oh my God, you have grown so big. Oh my God, you were this small when Aunt came with you to live with us. Don't you remember me anymore, Aunt Nkechi? You don't remember. Anyway, I'm so sorry. I have completely lost my manners. Please do come inside and make yourself comfortable. You're welcome. Oh my God, look at him. Oh, he's grown so big. You're welcome. Oh my God.
Son, open this door.
But I can't. I can't.
You can't. You can't? Do you want to sleep in that toilet? Eh? Why don't you just come out and tell us what is wrong with you?
Look, wait. Just let me handle this, please. Ijela, what do we do?
He needs to come out of the bathroom.
Is that not exactly what I said? Eh? And you're just sitting down there like a lost spirit. What have you done to my son? What?
I did not do anything to him. He started screaming and I opened the door for you to come in.
So what has been going on? Son, what's the problem?
Dad, I'm dead. I'm dead.
I said it. I said it. What have you done to my son? What?
Mom, could you please, for the first time in your life, just keep quiet? Please.
Son, what is the problem? What is it? I don't know. I don't know. I can't. Come on, instead of standing here and sobbing like a depraved woman, Why don't you tell me what is wrong? Look, listen, we can handle it.
Dad, you can't sort this out. No one can sort this out. No one.
My prince, what is the problem?
Asa?
What did you do to him?
My dear, she did not suffer. She died a very peaceful death. If we can call dying peaceful.
So, why didn't anyone tell us? Or at least my mother.
No one knew where to find your mother, Auntie Helen. When you people left this house, that was the last we saw of your mother or you. You were 5 years old when she left with you. No explanation, except for what our mother told us, she said.
What did she say? Please.
She said you wanted to leave.
But I was just about 5 years old, like you said.
That was why we did not take it serious. And then, 6 months later, the money started coming in trickles. And then later, in bulk. My mother was able to pay our bills, our school fees, buy this house, and 3 other houses. I could go on and on and on.
Well, that means they kept in touch then?
Well, if you call money coming from lawyers who will not give a proper location of the sender keeping in touch. We do not know where she was or what she was doing. My mom once told one of the lawyers that she would not take any more money from Auntie Helen unless she knew where she was or what she was doing. And then a few days later, one of the lawyers came back with a letter and a picture of Auntie Helen in Ghana, where she said she was into life. Yes.
Confuso funanya, ogini kangeme, arakumbe funanya, oburom melugo. Confuso funanya, ogini kangeme, arakumbe funanya, oburom melugo. Confuso funanya, arosi kambe. Confuso funanya, ogini kangeme, arakumbe funanya, oburom melugo. Confuso funanya. Confuso funanya, arosi kambe. Confuso funanya, ogini kangeme, arakumbe funanya, oburom melugo. Confuso funanya. Arosi tambe, kofuzo gunanya. Arosi tambe, kofuzo gunanya. Ogini kangeme. She is pure.
Your father is from Amatehete. As at the last time my mom and I talked about him, he was still alive. Your father used to be a hunter. My mother used to send money to him through an elder in the community. The man's name is... Hold on a second. I'll be right back, okay?
This is getting very confusing. Years back, I thought I didn't have a father. Now I do. I don't know why my mother did this to me. I don't know why.
Please take it easy. I'm sure Auntie Beatrice had a good reason for keeping the truth from you.
What reason? What reason does she have to deprive a child of a father's love and care? What reason? Her name is not even Beatrice. It's Helen.
Well, I don't know, just...
Sorry about that. I had to get this. This was the last sleep. My mother used to sending money to your father. The man's name is Nze Nemeka. I'm sure it's not going to be difficult for you to find him. Find him and you will find your father, okay?
Your Highness.
My daughter, where are your parents?
They are gone. They sent their greetings. My father said...
He knows what your father would probably have said. Your Highness, my son's predicament, what do we do?
What do you mean we? What do you mean we? Didn't I warn you? I warned you that treachery breeds pain, breeds doom, breeds contempt. You wouldn't listen to me. You put your son into this nonsense. It's your responsibility to get him out of it. Don't involve me.
Father, please. Please, I beg you. I am the one in trouble, not my mother. Please.
Ijele.
Your Highness.
Please, what do we do? Is there a solution to this? Is there any hope?
Yes, there is. And he will be fully restored.
What is it? What do we have to do? What do we have to buy?
There is nothing that we need to buy.
Then what in the name of the gods do you want? A human head?
No. Only the priestess of Oshimili can reverse his condition. Find her, and he shall be fully recovered. If you do not find her to forgive you in the next 14 days, you will join your ancestors.
Jesus Christ, you are taking this the wrong way.
How else am I supposed to take it? How else am I supposed to take it or see it as the case may be? My mother lied to me. She made my entire life a lie.
She gave you what most mothers could never ever give to their children.
The money, right? The money and her entire business empire. All the monies put together cannot make up for the fact that my mother lied to me. She told me my father died. That was what she said. While she was away enjoying herself like a queen. All my father was getting were crumbs. And then you stand here and tell me that I should be grateful.
You are hyperventilating unnecessarily. What has come over you? Why do you sit here and judge a woman who is not even here to defend herself? Why?
You know what?
What?
You are getting on my nerves.
No, you are the one getting on my nerves with your spoiled brat attitude and your uncouth tongue. You know what? Maybe I should have listened to you. I should have gotten a room for myself.
Maybe you should have. Yes.
You go get a life.
Leave me alone.
I'm sorry I did that. I'm sorry.
Mom, she is not taking my calls. She is not taking my calls. This is the 15th time I'll call her and yet she's not taking my calls. She can't say she didn't see my missed calls.
I have always known she's a witch.
Maybe she's asleep. For God's sake, it's past midnight.
Will you keep that tongue of yours shut in your mouth if you don't know what better thing to do with it?
What did I do? I mean, what have I done? Is it my fault that whatever happened to him?
What do you mean by whatever? Hey, are you perchance mocking me? Are you mocking me?
You see, that's your problem. Why do you have to always think that everyone is either mocking or working against you and your mother? Why?
Hey, don't you dare speak evil about my mother.
What will you do? Tell me, what will you do? Hit me? Beat me? Go on, try it. Hit me. Mommy's boy, beat me. I promise you, your father will be the last to sit on that throne in this non-existent kingdom.
Mother. Mom, did you hear that?
Stop whining like a child. Your mom brought this on you.
Enough! You gutter rat. I'll have you disgraced and thrown out of this palace.
Did I hear you say thrown out? I will gladly leave. After all, the man I came to marry died a few hours ago.
You cheap slut. I will deal with you and your entire family.
It takes one to know one. What will you do? Tell people that I was not a virgin? So bloody what? Newsflash, my parents knew. They were counting on your greed to help them solve a problem, and it worked.
Wait a minute. They knew?
Of course they did.
Conniving bastards!
Mother. Mother! She was not a virgin? She was not a virgin? The blood. What do you want?
My prince, one more thing. The priestess of Oshimili has to be appeased according to the rites that I explained to you earlier. And...
Speak up, woman! I do not have the luxury of patience like my father.
Your bride has to go for cleansing too.
Why? I mean, I don't have any business with all this.
Emma.
Look, I'm going back to my comfortable father's palace. Yeah.
It's not as easy as you think, my princess. If you are not cleansed within the next 14 days, 13 to be precise, you will remain barren for the rest of your life.
What?
What? Iwa.
Mother, she was not a virgin.
I can explain, son.
She was not a virgin. Not a virgin. Not.
This is all your fault. You did this to me.
I will do more.
Now I know what they say about you being a witch is true.
Yes. I will suck your blood, suck your father's blood, suck your mother's blood, all of you. I will suck your blood. Witch.
I promise you, you will pay for this. You will.
I will suck your blood and the blood of your father.
One. Do me, I do you. The gods will not be angry. Nekwia. Kololo, kochapo. Bawa.
Aye magana, egbe gewendia.
Mother, I need to know.
If the gods gave us all we needed, we would be gods.
Mother, I choose to become a deity rather than die a slave of confusion. It is I, Ojiofor, your son.
I know, Son of Thunder.
Then tell me the debt we owe the king's wife.
I pay my father's debt.
I don't understand. Mother, don't.
Your grandfather was a high priest when the then king, Ezebunafo, took another wife. He married a beautiful young maiden. Odo loved her husband, Ezebunafo, so much, but he was an aged king. And the marriage was just a ceremonial one. The young queen ran to my father, crying for help. He decided to help her by making a potion that would bring fire back into his loins. The potion was made. The day the queen was supposed to come and carry the potion, my father had traveled to Aguria, the land of the seven-headed masquerade. And I was in charge.
Ijele wine.
Mona Madima. My father had asked me to give the young queen the potion. I gave it to her. The potion was administered. But the next day, the king was found dead. Killed by the potion I had given. I had given the wrong potion. My father was so distraught. He did not want anyone to know I had anything to do with the king's death.
And the queen that you gave the potion?
She took her own life when she found out the king had died.
The gods forbid.
But the gods allowed it.
No, the gods forbid.
Father, please, I really need your help on this, please.
Let me repeat myself like a broken record. I told you several times, but you wouldn't listen. You preferred to be tied to the apron strings of your mother, and now you want me to cover up for you while you go to God knows where with the daughter of Ohamba. I will not be party to that, no.
Father, we will be back before anybody notices, I promise.
You sound pathetic, son. I look at you, son, and I see the pendulum of your life oscillating between duty and stupidity. I'll do no such thing. I'd rather send her back to her parents.
Your Highness, I would rather not. I apologize for barging in so rudely.
My daughter, we should be apologizing to you for offending you and your Chi, and not the other way around.
You are extremely gracious, Your Highness. But I would like to go with my husband.
What do I tell your father?
Nothing, Your Highness. Absolutely nothing. Your Highness, I'm your wife now. Kotsi, your son. I'm answerable to one kingdom and one king, and that is you. But if they insist on knowing, we went on our honeymoon, Your Highness.
Well spoken. Son?
Yes, Father.
You should listen to her more often. She has a way of coming up with very bright ideas. Daughter, you can go with him.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Thank you, Father.
Don't thank me. Thank her. I will send my best men to accompany you.
As you wish, Your Highness. Thank you.
May I take my leave, Father?
Yes, you can, son.
I insist you go with my son tomorrow. You know why we have to do this? Don't argue. Do it for me.
Mbana otulo ni ime n'ụtụtụ agwụgo mbe ọsọ egbili naba nwa Igbo ọgbaleke udo ahịa odogwu ji n'ọzọ okapi egwu ata eze kotogo n'Igbo egwu ọgwụrụ iji ọfụ ọwa kwakpụ na a na-atụ egwu agwọ ụbọchị mụ na na-abụ egwu echikwa n'ite ma mma abara ji aka ka egugu ngwa anyị kara manyere ụkọ duba ka ose adụ mma n'anya ọ dụ n'aka nri dụ n'aka ekpe aja ọbụla bụ ije ka ije gbuo nchi ekwere ka ije gbuo nchi ekwere udo ahịa ọkome agwọ nọ na nwụcha nwụcha o sere isi a na-erie mma.
And where's your mother?
I hear she left very early this morning with some maidens.
Didn't you tell her you were leaving this morning?
I did, Father. But I am very sure she has a very good reason for not being here.
Typical. Very much in character. Can the leopard ever change its spots? No. Take care of yourself.
Oh, Your Highness.
And if you encounter any difficulty, don't hesitate to call me.
Yes, Your Highness.
You can go now.
Thank you, Father.
The chiefs had demanded an answer into the mystery that killed the king and the queen. My father was so distraught. He decided to cover up for me until...
Until what, Mother?
Until that dreaded high priest from Umiliebo Nzara came. He told the council of chiefs that the king had been murdered and that he could fight. There was nothing my father could do. He had decided to tell the Council of Chiefs that he was the one responsible for the king's death. He was ready to forgive me my sins if only my father would give him something in return.
And what did he want?
The crown.
The crown? So, mother, was he that powerful?
Nzara was the most powerful Dibia in the 14 villages and beyond. Dibias from far and wide came to consult him or challenge him. And all those that challenged him never lived to tell their story. It was rumored that he lost 7 sons in the quest for power. And his only daughter, indoctrinated into witchcraft.
And yet he wanted to become king?
He knew it was not possible. So, he made my father position his daughter as queen for the next king.
The witch?
Yes, the witch.
So if that happened, that she become... The gods forbid. So it means the queen is the witch.
The witch.